Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited about our topic today.
Me too. It's a very useful topic, very practical.
Yes. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about a very common English word, a word you use every single day.
Oh, a daily word. I like those.
The word is take.
Take? Oh, yes, I know this word. I take a bus. I take a photo. I take my phone.
Exactly. You see, you already use it. But today we're going to learn all the different ways to use take.
All the ways. How many ways are there?
Many ways. That's why it's such an important word to learn.
Okay, I'm ready. But first, before we start,
Yes, everyone listening, we have a small request.
if you like our podcast, please click the like button
Yes, a big thumbs up. It helps us so much.
and please subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Subscribing is very important. You won't miss any episodes.
And share this podcast with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, Sarah, I am ready. Let's talk about take.
Perfect. So, Tom, let me ask you, when you use the word take, what do you think it means?
I think it means to pick up something or to grab something.
Yes, that's one meaning. A very good meaning.
But there are more meanings.
Oh, yes. Many more. That's why beginners sometimes feel confused.
Confused? Why?
Because one word, take, has so many different uses.
Oh, I see. Like, take a bus is different from take a photo.
Exactly. Very different situations, but the same word.
Hmm. So, how do we learn all of them?
Don't worry. Today we will focus on the most useful meanings, the ones you hear every day.
Every day. Good. I like practical English.
Me too. So let's start with the easiest meaning first.
Okay. I'm listening.
The first meaning of take is to pick up, grab, or hold something with your hand.
Oh, very physical. I use my hand.
Exactly. For example, if I see a book on the table, I say, I take the book.
I take the book. I pick it up.
Yes. Or if you see your phone, you say, I take my phone.
I take my phone. Very simple.
And in the morning, what do you take before you leave the house?
I take my keys.
Good. What else?
I take my wallet. I take my bag.
Perfect. All very simple, everyday actions.
So at home, I take many things. I take a glass of water. I take my coffee cup.
Yes. And at work?
At work, I take a notebook. I take a pen. Maybe I take documents.
Very good examples. You see, Tom, you use take all the time.
I do. I never thought about it before.
That's the fun part. You already know it. We're just making it clear.
So, meaning number one, take means pick up or hold something.
Exactly. Very physical. Your hand grabs something.
Okay. What's the next meaning?
The next meaning is about moving something from one place to another.
Moving something? Like carrying?
Yes, exactly. You take something with you when you go somewhere.
Oh, like when I leave home, I take my bag to work.
Perfect example. The bag moves from your home to your work.
And if it's raining, I take an umbrella.
Yes, the umbrella goes with you.
What about food? Sometimes I take lunch to work.
Very good. You carry the food with you.
Sarah, this sounds like the word bring.
Ah, good question. They are similar but a little different.
Different? How?
Take is when something moves away from where you are now. Bring is when something moves toward where you are now.
Oh, I see. So I take my bag to work, but when I go home, I bring my bag home.
Exactly. You understand it perfectly.
That's a good difference to remember.
Don't worry too much about the grammar rule. Just feel it in real situations.
Feel it. Okay, I like that advice.
So, meaning number two, take means to carry something from one place to another.
Got it. What's next?
Okay, the third meaning is very common. Take can mean to use, have, or consume something.
Use or consume. Hmm, like food?
Yes, but not just food. For example, in the morning, what do you do after you wake up?
I take a shower.
Perfect. I take a shower.
Wait, why do we say take a shower? I'm not picking up the shower.
Good question. In English, we don't say do a shower or make a shower. We say take a shower.
That's interesting. So it's a special phrase.
Yes. And there are many phrases like this with take.
Okay, what else?
If you're tired during the day, what do you do?
I take a break.
Exactly. I take a break. Sit down, relax.
And if I'm very tired, maybe I take a nap.
Yes. A short sleep. Very good.
What about medicine? When I'm sick, I take medicine.
Perfect example. I take medicine. Very common.
So take a shower, take a break, take a nap, take medicine. These are all common phrases.
Exactly. We use take with many daily activities,
I like this. It's very practical.
and you can practice these every day in your life.
Yes, I take a shower every morning. Very easy to remember.
Okay, now let's talk about another meaning. This one is about time and effort.
Time and effort? How?
Sometimes we say something takes time or takes effort.
Oh, like learning English. Learning English takes time.
Perfect example. It's not fast. It takes time.
And what about going to work? It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
Excellent. You're using it naturally.
Or cooking dinner. Cooking dinner takes a lot of effort.
Yes, especially if you make something complicated.
So, take here is about measuring time or effort.
Exactly. How long does something need? How hard is it?
This is different from picking up something.
Yes, very different. But the same word.
English is interesting.
It is. And you can use this in so many situations.
Like homework, my homework takes 2 hours.
Or exercise. Exercise takes energy.
Very useful. Okay, what's the next meaning?
The next meaning is about travel and transport.
Oh, transport. Like buses and trains?
Exactly. We use take with all kinds of transportation.
Like, I take the bus to work.
Yes. Or, I take the train to school.
What about taxis?
I take a taxi. Very common.
And for long trips, like airplanes?
I take a flight to London.
Wow, so many examples. Take the bus, take the train, take a taxi, take a flight.
You can also use it in questions. For example, which bus should I take to the museum?
Oh, that's very useful for tourists.
Yes, it's perfect for asking directions.
So, this meaning is all about transportation.
Exactly. Daily commuting, trips, adventures. Take is everywhere.
Very practical for real life.
Okay, now let's talk about another meaning. This one is about accepting or receiving something.
Accepting, like accepting a gift?
Yes, but not just gifts. For example, if someone says, You did a great job. What do you say?
I say thank you.
Right. And you take the compliment.
Take the compliment? So I accept the nice words?
Exactly. You don't reject it. You take it.
That's polite.
Yes, very polite and natural.
What about advice? If someone gives me advice?
You can say, I take your advice. It means you accept it, and you'll follow it.
Oh, like my teacher gives me advice about studying and I take the advice.
Perfect. And sometimes it's about responsibility.
Responsibility?
If you make a mistake, you can say, I take responsibility.
Ah, I accept that it was my fault.
Exactly. Very honest and mature.
So take a compliment, take advice, take responsibility.
Yes, this use of take is very calm and natural.
It sounds very native.
It is. It's how we speak every day.
I like learning these phrases.
Good. Now let's talk about some common phrases with take.
Common phrases. I'm ready.
The first one is take care.
Take care. I hear this all the time.
Yes. When do you say it?
When a friend is leaving, I say take care, see you later.
Exactly. It's friendly and warm.
Not too formal, not too casual.
Perfect. The next phrase is take it easy.
Take it easy. This means relax, right?
Yes. If someone is stressed, you say take it easy. Don't worry.
Like if my friend is nervous about a test, I say, take it easy, you'll do great.
Perfect example.
What's the next phrase?
Take your time.
Take your time. No rush.
Exactly. If someone is doing something and they're worried about being slow, you say, take your time.
Oh, like if I'm helping a friend with homework and they say, sorry, I'm slow, I say, it's okay. Take your time.
Very good. Very polite and kind.
I like this phrase.
And the last one is take a look.
Take a look. Like look at something.
Yes. If you want to show someone something, you say, take a look at this.
Oh, very casual and friendly.
Exactly. You use it all the time in conversation.
So take care, take it easy, take your time, take a look.
Perfect. These four phrases are very common in daily English.
I hear them in movies and TV shows.
Yes, native speakers use them all the time.
Okay, Sarah, this is a lot of information. Can we practice?
Of course. Let's do some quick practice.
I'm ready.
Okay. I'll start a sentence and you finish it. Ready?
Ready.
I need to leave now. I need to take my.
I need to take my bag. I need to take my keys.
Good. Next one. When I'm sick, I.
When I'm sick, I take medicine.
Excellent. Every morning, I.
Every morning, I take a shower.
Very good. To get to work, I.
To get to work, I take the bus.
Perfect. Learning English.
Learning English takes time.
Wonderful, Tom. You're using take naturally.
Thank you. This practice helps a lot.
Yes, practice is very important.
Sarah, can we talk about mistakes?
Of course. That's a great idea.
What mistakes do students make with take?
A very common mistake is saying, I do a shower.
Oh, that's wrong.
Yes, we don't say do a shower. We say, I take a shower.
Ah, I remember. Take a shower, not do a shower.
Exactly. Another mistake is make a break.
Make a break, that's wrong too.
Yes, we say take a break, not make a break.
So, take a shower, take a break. I need to remember this.
Don't worry. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
That's true. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
Sarah, this was so helpful. I learned so many ways to use take.
I'm so glad. Let's do a quick review.
Good idea.
Meaning number 1. Take means to pick up or hold something.
Like take a book, take my phone.
Meaning number 2. Take means to carry something with you.
Like take an umbrella, take my bag to work.
Meaning number 3. Take means to use or consume something.
Like take a shower, take a break, take medicine.
Meaning number 4. Take is about time and effort.
Like learning English takes time, it takes 30 minutes to get to work.
Meaning number 5. Take is about transportation.
Like take the bus, take a taxi, take a flight.
And meaning number 6. Take means to accept or receive.
Like take a compliment, take advice, take responsibility.
And we also learned 4 common phrases.
Take care, take it easy, take your time, take a look.
Perfect review, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah. This was a great lesson.
I'm happy you enjoyed it.
I think our listeners will find this very useful.
I hope so. Remember, everyone, you don't need to memorize everything today.
Right. Just start using take in your daily life.
Notice when you use it. Notice when you hear it.
Little by little, it becomes natural.
Exactly. That's the best way to learn.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Yes, thank you so much.
If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Give this episode a like
It really helps us.
and share it with your friends who are learning English.
We have a question for you today.
Yes, a homework question.
In the comments below, tell us, what do you take every day?
Do you take coffee in the morning? Do you take the bus to work?
Write it in the comments. We want to read your answers.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Until next time, everyone, take care.
Take care and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.